What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Traveling Eddie, and we're going places, and we are here in Guadalajara tonight on a Thursday night with a half moon going on and the star right next to it, planet, whatever. And it's Miller Genuine High Life. Miller High Life. Well, I don't drink, so anyhow. So what's up? Here I'm on Chapultepec Ave. We're on Chapultepec Ave. This is a Thursday night. I just don't want to come tomorrow, Friday. Saturday, I'm heading out to Puerto Vallarta. And if you really want to have the party scene, like the nightclubs and everything, not in Centro Histórico, you got to come all the way over here to Chapultepec Avenue here in Colonia Americana. So let's go. You got them old school cars over there with the Cuban flag and all of that. Must be kind of it's called Callejón de los Rumberos. It's the alleyway of the party animals. So let's go along this little thing here. They got Carl's Jr., Charboy, burgers and whatever. And they got all these little kiosks here with people selling their things. So hopefully there's a good view on the camera here tonight. I'm using my smartphone with the gimbal. So I'm going to be pausing and recording, pausing. You got some places here called Vancouver Wings Gold and Palo Santo, kind of a bar, nightclub, resto thing, whatever, and everything. Then you got Tupac Shakur blasting behind me, singing one of the classics, and everything here. So nice little water fountain there. I don't even know what that building is over there, but this is La Paz Avenue that's intersecting, and that building was lit up like a Christmas tree. So I bet you girls, wow, they got the cool caps, but I'm just not buying any of that anymore. And I'm just saying all of this in English. You got all these people here, artisans. Yeah, that's what they told me, that they have these artisans here at night selling their things. So you can see all the handcrafted things, handmade. And they're working on it right now. They're making little accessories, jewelry, and all of that. And then you got the nightclubs on the side, the bars, and all of that going on both sides. Nice, quite nice. If you want something different, this is the place to come to and check it out. Very nice. Even saw an Indian woman from India or Pakistan or whatever. So look at the skulls here and everything. All this, the Buddha, the famous Mexican skull and all that. A lot of art. And over there you got York Pub right across the street. York Pub. And that other thing, the Urban Live. The Coffee Legacy right there. Station 24-hour fitness gym. A 24-hour fitness gym. And the famous little aljibris with the spiritual side of Mexico here. And the skulls. Wow, look at this. All that's nice. And the little hummingbird. Hummingbird is very spiritual and important in pre-Hispanic culture. Well, that's the end of the artisans here. Let's see what else we have up ahead. Got another place there, burger bar, called the Bone House. So there are plenty of places. At Deposito, right over there, with a strong police lights. Breakfast, baguettes, and coffee over there. More water fountains. Across the street, got Sky Wings, beer and wings. Then we got Bar Cantina Escutia. So this is a Thursday night, so it's still pretty much easy, and people here are doing their thing, dancing and whatever. There's another cantina there, Cantina de Antaño, meaning old school cantina. La Insurgente, the insurgent, the female insurgent. All of this is Chapultepec Ave, and then you got your street food right over there. Tacos, taqueria. And then some side streets, you have some other bars and places. So, yeah. I don't know what these dudes are doing, but they're doing something. So as I'm walking around this, I see people have been in little places practicing their dance. And this is like a dance classes on the street. And then some people are just jogging. So it's a pretty chill vibe here. Pretty laid back. This water fountain is out of water, out of service. And this is kind of like the more upscale area of Guadalajara, at least from what I have been able to gather. Well, guys, I'm gonna go right on this Avenida Hidalgo. I'm gonna go back to my Airbnb. So I wanted to show you a little bit of this. I did, but it's a Thursday night. I don't know how it is on a Friday night, but tomorrow I'm just gonna stay in and go to bed early. Maybe watch something on my laptop. Oh no, on the TV because I can connect. So stay real, and maybe this will be seen before Puerto Vallarta or during Puerto Vallarta. My stay there. Hope you give it a like. If you liked it, it's pretty chill, it's pretty mellow. I just showed you a different option when you're visiting Guadalajara. So I'm gonna cross this way. I got 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds to cross. Bye bye, y'all.